Students, today I will explain 12.3 question number 10. The question is, the area of an equilateral triangle ABC is 17,320.5 centimeters square with each vertex of the triangle as the center. A circle is drawn with the radius equal to half the length of the side of the triangle. Find the area of the shaded region using pi equals to 3.14 and root 3 equals to 1.73205. So here the area of the triangle is given first, and from the vertex of this triangle a circle is drawn. Okay, and radius of the circle, that is equals to half the area of this, half the side of this triangle. We have to find the area of this shaded region. Okay, so here area of the equilateral triangle ABC, that is given equals to this 17320.5 centimeters square. Okay, and area of the equilateral triangle we know, that is equals to root 3 by 4 a square, that is side square, that is equals to, this is given. So we can find the side, that is a square, that is equals to 17320.5 into 4 divided by root 3, and root 3, that is given here the value, what is the value given? 1.732005. So a square, that is equals to, here it will become 4, just see how many decimals, 5 digit after the decimal, so it will be 4 with 40. So side A, that is equals to root of this one, and that is 200 centimeter. That is the side of the equilateral triangle. So the radius, that is equals to half of the side, it is given half of the side, so it is 200 by 2, that is equals to 100 centimeter. Now what is the area of this one shaded region? From this triangle, if you will subtract this area of this 3 sector, this has formed a sector. Since it is an equilateral triangle, so each angle is how much? 60 degree. All the angles are 60 degree in the equilateral triangle. So area of the shaded region, that is equals to area of the triangle minus 3 times, that is the area of the sector. There are 3 sectors, all are equal, so 3 into area of one sector. So that is area of the triangle, it is given 3 into, what is the formula area of the sector? That is theta by 360 pi r square. So it is 100 into 100. So it is minus 15700. This multiplied. So it is subtracting, we get 1620.5 centimeter square. That is the area of the shaded region. Now next, the question number 13. The question is, a square OABC, this is C, is inscribed in a quadrant. Which one? OPBQ. If OA equals to 20 centimeter, find the area of the shaded region taking pi equals to 3.14. So here this angle is 90 degree. OABC is a square. Angle OAB, that is equals to 90 degree. So this triangle is your OAB, that is a right angle triangle. Now, when this is a right angle triangle, the side OA is 20 centimeter and it is a square, so AB is also 20 centimeter. So we can find OA applying Pythagoras theorem. We have OB square, that is equals to OA square plus AB square. So it is 20 square plus 20 square, or OB equals to root of this. This is equals to 20 root 2 centimeter. So OB means that is the radius of this quadrant. So radius of the quadrant, that is equals to 20 root 2 centimeter. Now area of this shaded region is, from this quadrant, if we subtract the area of the square, we get the area of the shaded region. So area of shaded region, that is equals to, what is the area of the quadrant? It is pi r square by 4, and area of the square, that is equals to side square. So it is 1 by 4, 3.14, and what is the radius? 20 root 2 into 20 root 2 minus side square is 20 into 20. So here we have 3.14 into 20 into 20, root 2 into root 2 is 2. This by 4 minus 20 into 20 we can write. This is 1.57. So 20 into 20 we can take out common. So what is left? 1.57 minus 1. So it is 20 into 20. You can write this one, 400 into 0.57, and this is equals to 228 centimeter square. So area of this shaded region is 228 centimeter square.